Hey guys, it's me, Miss Baird, once more. This is video number 5 for Mr. Taylor's periods 1 and 6 pre-algebra classes. This is the second video from section 1.4 in these worksheets, where we are working with expressions, equations, or inequalities. So today's worksheet that you're going to be working with primarily is the 1.4 practice B. And in the first part of the worksheet, in questions 1 through 12, you need to check whether the number that you are given is a solution of the equation. Remember, equations have equal signs in them, and you have to keep them balanced. So the equation that we have is 2x plus 9x equals 26 minus 4x. And we are to see if 2 is a solution for this. So to begin with, I'm going to rewrite the equation and put parentheses every time where we're going to have a variable. And then as soon as I finish doing that, we're going to put 2 in the place of the variable where we have these parentheses now. So we're going to put 2 here, here, and here. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 9 times 2 is 18, equals, go away kitty kitty, 26 minus 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 plus 18 is 22. 26 minus 8 is 18. 22 is not equal to 18, so the answer for this one is no, it's not the same. Okay, now the next question that I have here, question number 2, is like the next set here, 13 through 21, which says to write a question that could be used to solve the equation. And I don't want you to use mental math. I want you to use real math to solve the equation. So our question here is, first of all, let's look at the equation. 5x equals 20. And so the question that you need to think of is, what number times 5 equals 20? Now these are very good exercises for you to do. So over here we're going to divide both sides by 5, and we will find that x equals 4. So the number times 5 that equals 20 is 4. Okay, now with this third section of this worksheet, check whether the given number is a solution of the inequality. So we're going to once more rewrite our equation, and we're going to put this number in place of our variable. So 6 divided by, we're putting parentheses there, plus 8 is greater than or equal to 10. And the number that we are testing is 2. So we're going to put 2 here. All right. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 8 is greater than or equal to 10. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is greater than or equal to 10. So yes, this is a true statement. Yay! Now, one more section. This section that's 31 through 35 says match the verbal sentence with its mathematical representation. In other words, we have an equation and 4 different inequalities. And so what you need to do is we first of all need to figure out what these are saying and be able to translate them into mathematical statements. So I wrote here the product of 3 and x is less than 10. Well, product means multiply, answer from multiplying. So the product of 3 and x means we're going to multiply 3 times x. In other words, 3x is less than. That's less than. Notice it doesn't say less than or equal to 10. And we're done with that. Now, if we were asked to solve, we would divide, and there's some other things, but right now we're not asked to do that. So I want to read through these with you. The sum of 20 and x is greater than 30. Sum is answer from addition. Quotient of x and 20 means division. Product, multiplication. Square means you multiply something times itself, and difference is the answer from subtraction. So you need to rewrite these like this and then figure out which one of these it is. Then you have for your homework tonight, right here, the 1.4 Reteaching with Practice 1 through 15. And these are all problems like we have done before. Check whether the given number is a solution of the equation you're going to substitute in. Now, all of this work needs to be done on a separate sheet of paper where you can show all your work. So 1 through 6, you're substituting into equations. With 7 through 9, you're substituting into inequalities. And with 10 through 15, you are writing a question that could be used to solve the equation. And then do not use mental math, use real math to solve the equation. Okay, now as always, you may come and see me in room 101 outside of class. I'm there in the mornings before school, sometimes during break. If I'm not in room 101 during lunch, I'm in the computer lab, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. I hope you're having a good day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.